Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? You see, I'm back with another one. Alright, y'all, now my field center unit finally came in. It finally came in. So, what I've been doing, ain't no use of showing y'all. I went on to assemble the pump. Only thing I gotta do now is just tie these wires in together. Then I do that. Once I do that, I go give the new gas tank I have, and go ahead and start dropping it, and yeah, shoot, time to get rid of that external pump, cause man, y'all, that thing is just loud. It's loud. So yeah, this is the part number, of course. That's it. 3. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna get this gas tank and stuff, take it outside, and I'll catch y'all when I get on it. Yeah. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all see, I got the new gas tank, fuel pump installed. Now, well, shoot, before I even get to going and whatnot, I had to go hit up the O. Go give me some young paint, man. So I just got some black VHT. Paint them straps. And shoot. And y'all, to be honest, I'm kind of curious. When I seen this, metal cast or whatever, you're supposed to paint like shiny pieces and chrome. I don't know. I may play with it. I may try it out. I may not. But shoot, if I was to, yeah, I would like my trim to be blue. That would be dope to me. But yeah, shoot. I gotta clean out all that overspray paint out that's on my bumper anyway. I don't know. It's just food for thought right now. But I'm finna go ahead and get situated, start get ready to start brain fart. Dropping this old tank and disconnecting all the lines and whatnot. So I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all. I got the tank dropped down, as you can see. It's like halfway. Alright, this is my original setup. Now, I'm pretty sure those that's looking like you only got two deals, so how's you getting your vent? Well, I just leave my gas cap loose, when I did drive it, I didn't really go far, so, that wasn't a big thing, but, yeah, this was always a temporary setup anyway. So now that I have the new tank, which is over there, I'm gonna go ahead and get these fittings off of here. And I believe I have to cut those nipples off on this dude right here. I think I got to cut them off, cut them down, and shoot, get this you know, it's just reverse the roles. So we gonna get at it, y'all. Okay, y'all. See, I got the 2 pieces on. Of course, that's a vent. That's what that piece of hose is for right there. So I didn't want to put it up under there with my straps looking all ugly, so I hit them with some paint, some black paint real quick. Dang, I know y'all can't tell, but trust me, I hit it with some black paint, y'all. I mean, gotta be kind of, don't make no sense to put a fresh gas tank in with the dirty, ugly looking straps. So that was my whole point for getting that paint. But yeah, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. And oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna let that dry out for a little bit. And then I'll slide that new one up in there. And shit, we ought to be good from there, y'all. So yeah, that's a little workout. Just pulling that one out because it got gas in it. So yeah, I gotta get the gas out of that and put it in here. Which ain't no big thing. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this so I can go and get this gas tank set up and situated. Alright. Alright, YouTube. I got it up under there. So y'all can see. I just gotta cut my vent hose. But I will tell y'all like a couple issues that I ran into. First off, I probably should have bought some new straps because I had a time trying to get them up. Maybe it's because of this fold right here. Yeah, I think that's what it was. Because on the original tank they folded up. On this one, they just pressed out. So yeah, they gave me a hard time right there. And another thing, my filling neck. Alright. It closes all the way right now. But put the cap on. It don't close all the way. I mean I could still probably get away with that. Damn, I have my license plate out on the thing, but yeah, that's another issue that I ran into as well. So if y'all do get the different tank, I would suggest try to fold them ends up. And as far as the filling neck part, I don't know. But I'm just gonna let it rock like that. I mean, it's still visible. It can still be seen. So, but I hate that it's like that. I'm gonna end up doing something. I'm gonna end up trying to make that a little bit better because I don't like that. I don't like that how it peaches out like that. It's not supposed to be like that. But yeah, y'all, shoot, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I got the old sending unit out. Oh well, shoot, hold on. Before I even do that, I need to test it out. Yeah, I got to dump some gas up in here. I got to tank them. I got some gas in the back of this truck. Yeah. I got a few gallons in this thing. So I'm going ahead, put that gas up in there, and I'm gonna crank it up, see what happens. All right, let's see if I can record and pour at the same time. Oh, that's gonna be kind of difficult, cause this thing, where it's made, look, see, you gotta pull that little thing back, then push this down the same, once I have it pulled back. It's gonna be a while, so I'll cut y'all back on. Shoot. All right, y'all, let's see if it'll start. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, so I'm priming. Oh yeah, man, it is so nice not hearing no man, cause that fuel pump is it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we in the money now, y'all. We in the money. Yeah, actually it's running a whole lot better. Oh yeah. That's what we want, y'all. Hear nothing but motor and exhaust. No fuel pump. Oh yeah. See how much. Okay, my center unit's not working for some reason. Well, it's saying that it's all the way empty. Oh no, I might have. No, it can't be wired up wrong. Probably just that damn gauge, but anyway, y'all, shoot. She's running. Hey man, I'm gonna go ahead and call that a wrap, y'all. So shit, till the next time I catch y'all. Yes, sir.